Ah, so language explorers. Let's have a look at today's Friday idiom. So, grin and bear it. Yeah, this, bit of a famous saying this is. To keep going with something even though you don't like it. I don't like it, but I'm going to keep going. So, grin and bear it. So, to smile and keep going with something you don't like. Something you don't like, yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, so grin and bear it, yeah. So we will have to grin and bear the anything, the trouble and hassle, yeah. If I have to. Yeah. She will grin and bear it. Yeah. Whatever happened, whatever went wrong, she has to grin and bear it. I think I will just grin and bear the pain. Yep, bear it. I have to. Yep. I think the best decision, best choice you can make now is to grin and bear it. There isn't much else you can do. There isn't much else you can do. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. We think they should just grin and bear it. There's nothing we can do now. All they have to do is grin and bear it. All the way to the finish line. All the way to the finish line. That's it. There's not much else we can do. They have to grin and bear it. That's it. It could be something annoying, tedious, heavy, expensive, painful, but they have to grin and bear the weight. If I have to. So, language explorers. Can you use grin and bear it in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.